Hi, I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, and I'm having a joyful time playing this Bechstein grand piano. This is a work of art to behold visually, and to play this piano is such an amazing experience. Rebuilt in Europe, just rebuilt in Europe by a master craftsman. I'll tell you about that. I'm just going to start off with some music and then tell you more about this magnificent instrument with a prelude of Bach that you all know, the famous C major prelude that starts his monumental body of work, the Well-Tempered Clavier. 2 books of preludes and fugues in all the major and minor keys. The action is like velvet. All German parts, Renner and Abel. The bridge caps are redone. The technician who did this work is actually a 3rd generation piano rebuilder, and his ancestors were rebuilders in Hamburg, Germany at the Steinway factory. So it's a heritage of great piano building, and you can really hear it with this original soundboard. What a lively sound. Let's hear some more music. Here's the beginning of Mozart's Fantasy in C minor, a pretty abstract work for Mozart. Gorgeous piece of music. Look at the finish, by the way. You know, you see a lot of high gloss black finishes. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of inexpensive Asian pianos, but the quality of this finish, it is like black glass. It's like a mirror. It's just so fine. All the work on this piano is just exquisite. And to hear how it opens up, let's have some Chopin. I'm going to play the beginning of his second scherzo in B flat minor. You know, there's such a refinement to a great Bechstein like this. If you've never played a Bechstein, it is regarded as one of the greatest pianos in the world. And of course, to buy a new Bechstein is extremely costly. This piano is as good as any Bechstein I've ever played. And it's gorgeous to look at 6 feet. It can fit in your home. And what a beautiful piece. And by the way, this music rack is not only gorgeous, but it allows the sound to come through so you can hear the piano beautifully without having to put the music rack down. I'm Robert Eschen. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano store. Wondering how you like this piano? Leave comments here at livingpianos.com or YouTube. We'll see you next time.